Hello friends, today we will discuss about the anatomy of the heart. So first of all, introduction about the heart. What is heart? Heart is a cone-shaped hollow muscular organ which lies in the thoracic cavity. तो हार्ट हमारा कैसे होता है? कोन शेप जैसी इसकी शेप होती है। अगर हम ऐसे बाहर वाली इसकी स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करें तो कोन शेप, जैसे आइसक्रीम की कोन होती है ना, वैसे हार्ट की शेप होती है। सो दिस इज ए कोन शेप्ड हॉलो इनसाइड एम्प्टी स्पेस होती है जिसमें कि ब्लड फ्लो करता है। तो हार्ट कैसा होता है? हार्ट इज ए कोन शेप्ड हॉलो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन व्हिच लाइज इन द thoracic cavity and its length is about 10 centimeter long and it is about 2.25 gram weight in women and near about 300 grams in men. So clear introduction about the heart. Next are the organs associated with the heart. Organ associated with the heart. हार्ट के अगर हम देखें तो जैसे हमने बोला कि हार्ट हमारा कहाँ पे लाई करता है? इन द thoracic cavity. Front of human body is divided into upper part is called thoracic cavity and the lower portion is called abdominal cavity. तो हार्ट हमारा कहाँ पे लाई करता है? इन द thoracic cavity. अगर हम देखें तो what are the organs associated with the heart? हार्ट के इंफीरियर पे नीचे वाली साइड पे क्या होता है? डोम शेप्ड डायफ्राम एंड एट द सुपीरियर पार्ट हार्ट के क्या होते हैं? हार्ट की ग्रेट ब्लड वेसल्स लाइक आयोटा, पल्मोनरी आर्टरीज एंड सुपीरियर वेना केवा. हार्ट के लेटरल साइड पे होते हैं हमारे लंग्स और हार्ट के फ्रंट साइड पे होता है thoracic कैविटी का स्टर्नम, रिब्स. देन हार्ट के पीछे वाले पार्ट में क्या होते हैं? एट द पोस्टीरियर साइड there is some organs of the digestive system and some organs of the respiratory system like respiratory pipe and esophagus of the digestive system. So these are the organs associated with the heart. Then now we are going to discuss about the main part that is layers of the heart. So clear about the definition of the heart and organs associated with the heart. Next our main topic is the layers of the heart. Layers of heart. The heart is having main 3 layers. The outer layer is called pericardium, middle layer is called myocardium and the innermost layer is called endocardium. So clear about this? Layers of the heart is made up of 3 layers. अगर हम हार्ट की आउटर लेयर्स की बात करें, दिस पोर्शन का अगर हम सेक्शन कट करके देखें तो हार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 मेन लेयर्स. आउटर मोस्ट पेरिकार्डियम, मिडल इज मायोकार्डियम एंड द इनर मोस्ट लेयर इज कॉल्ड एंडोकार्डियम. तो इसी की हम आगे चल के डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. इसी लेयर्स की हम अब डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. जैसे हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया, आउटर लेयर को क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ मिडल लेयर एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इनर मोस्ट लेयर? आउटर लेयर इज पेरिकार्डियम, मिडल इज मायोकार्डियम एंड इनर मोस्ट लेयर इज endocardium. Pericardium is again divided into 2 sections. Again divided into 2 layers, that is called fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. The pericardium, which was the outermost layer, again divided into fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Again Again the serous pericardium having two layers, and there is a space in between that two layers. The layer which is towards the outer side, which lies towards the outer portion, that is called parietal pericardium, which is towards the myocardium, that layer is called visceral pericardium. And there is a space between these two layers, that is called pericardial space. This space is called pericardial space, which have special type of fluid, that is called pericardial fluid. This fluid is secreted by the epithelial cells of the serous membrane. This fluid is secreted by the epithelial cells of the serous membrane, and this fluid having special functions which act as a lubricant during the heart contraction and relaxation. This fluid act as a lubricant, provides smooth movement of the muscles when the heart beats. During that time, this pericardial fluid reduces the friction between the layers. So this is all about outermost layer, that is pericardium. Next, we are going to move about the myocardium layer. The myocardium is the middle layer. The myocardium is the middle layer of the heart. Next middle layer is called myocardium. इसकी हम अलग से डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. मिडल लेयर इज कॉल्ड मायोकार्डियम, इज फॉर्म्ड बाय स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ कार्डियक मसल्स. These are special type of cardiac muscles which are present only in the heart. These are cardiac muscles present only in the heart wall. ये एक स्पेशल टाइप के मसल्स होते हैं. हर एक मसल जो सेल्स का बना हुआ है, हैविंग न्यूक्लियस and one or more branches. Each muscle form a link with the another muscle with the help of these branches, and with the help of these branches, these muscles combinedly form a sheet like appearance. Sheet like इनकी लुक बन जाती है. तो ये एक दूसरे के साथ बाइंड है with the help of branches and form करते हैं sheet like appearance, and it also provide strong structure to this middle layer. During the time of cardiac contraction, this sheet like appearance provide strength to the middle layer. Then next is the endocardium. Endocardium is the innermost layer. सबसे अंदर वाली innermost layer is called endocardium. The innermost layer is the endocardium, which provide smoothness to the chambers and the heart walls. Next हम करेंगे structure of the heart. जो innermost layer है वो क्या करती है, smooth surface provide करती है to the inner chambers of the heart. This is which is helpful for the smooth flow of blood through the heart. जो endocardium है innermost layer, वो क्या provide करती है, एक lining provide करती है to the chambers of the heart and walls of the heart. जो हार्ट के इनसाइड वॉल्व्स होते हैं उनको भी ये क्या प्रोवाइड करती है, स्मूथ सरफेस प्रोवाइड करती है. दैट स्मूथ सरफेस अलाउ स्मूथ मूवमेंट ऑफ द ब्लड थ्रू आउट द हार्ट. सो दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ सिंपल एपिथेलियल cells and provide lining to the inner chambers of the heart. So this was all about the layers of the heart. So now we are going to repeat again these layers of the heart. The outermost layer is called pericardium, middle layer is called myocardium, and innermost layer is called endocardium. The pericardium is divided into fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Again the serous pericardium is divided into two layers, that is parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. There is a space between parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. That space is called pericardial space, which contain pericardial by the epithelial cells of the serous membrane, and this fluid having special function, it provides frictionless movement of the heart walls during the time of cardiac contraction. Next, middle layer is called myocardium, which is made up of special type of cardiac muscles, and each muscle having one nucleus and one or more branches. This branches like structure provide attachment with the adjacent muscle cells and provide sheet like appearance to the whole layer. This sheet like appearance help in the strong movement of the cardiac muscle contraction when the atria and ventricles contract. Then next is the endocardium. Endocardium is the innermost layer. It provides simple lining to the chambers and heart valves, and this lining is a smooth membrane and which help in the smooth flow of blood through the heart. So this was all about the layers of the heart. So today we have discussed about the introduction about the heart, what are the organs associated with the heart, and all the three layers of the heart. Thank you.